Hi, I'm Whitney Morgan, founder of Morgan Nutrition and your go-to Hashimoto's coach. If you've been struggling with gut issues or thyroid issues, chances are someone's already told you to ditch the gluten. But here's the thing. Getting rid of gluten isn't just about hopping on to the latest health trend. Gluten can have a profound negative impact on your gut, even if you don't have celiac disease. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gluten? Really? Is a little bread and pasta every now and then that big of a deal? Well, gluten's effects go way beyond a little stomach upset or bloating. And if you're dealing with thyroid issues or autoimmune issues, you really need to pay attention to this video. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, let's dive in. So what are the 5 most common negative effects of gluten on the gut? Well, let's start with the big one. Gluten increases intestinal permeability, also known as leaky gut. Gluten can weaken the tight junctions in your gut lining, turning your gut into a sieve. This allows toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles to leak into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation and wreaking havoc on your immune system. That brings me to the next problem. Gluten triggers chronic gut inflammation. This inflammation can snowball into symptoms like gas and bloating, fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, and even skin issues. And for many, it's the starting point of Hashimoto's or some other autoimmune disease. The third reason to ditch gluten is that it disrupts a healthy microbiome balance. Your gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria, and gluten can throw that balance out of whack. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues, weakened immunity, and even mood issues like anxiety and depression. Fourth on the list is that gluten reduces nutrient absorption. That's why many people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity are low in iron, magnesium, B vitamins, and vitamin D, all of which are critical for thyroid health. And finally, gluten overstimulates your immune system. Here's the kicker. Gluten doesn't just stay in your gut. It can piss off your immune system, leading to chronic inflammation throughout the rest of your body. This immune response is a major player in conditions like Hashimoto's and other autoimmune diseases. Do you think gluten is affecting your gut health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now that we've covered 5 ways that gluten wrecks your gut, and trust me, there are more ways, let's talk about how to heal. Yes, the first obvious step is ditching the gluten. But let me be clear, we're not just talking about swapping your wheat bread for some gluten-free loaf. There's really a more nuanced approach. To truly heal, you need to go 100% gluten-free. That's in your home, when you're out and about, and also taking those personal care products into consideration. And if I'm being totally honest, it means the gluten never walks through your front door, period. Now, once you get rid of gluten, you need to heal your gut lining. This can take up to 3 months and requires gut healing nutrients like collagen, immunoglobulins, omega-3s, and L-glutamine. These are your main repair tools to restore gut integrity. Now, while you're healing your gut lining, you also need to rebuild your gut microbiome. Load up on prebiotics, probiotics, and fermented foods. All 3 of these strategies will begin to lower the inflammation. But you might require additional anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and dark leafy greens, and berries are your friend here. And anti-inflammatory supplements like quercetin, curcumin, and boswellia can also help. And finally, get some functional testing done. Advanced lab tests like the GI map and the gut zoomer can pinpoint hidden deficiencies and imbalances so we can target them directly. If you're ready to dig deeper and start truly healing, let's connect. Schedule a qualifying call with me and we'll talk strategy. I'll drop my scheduling link in the video notes. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay vibrant, stay curious, and keep working toward the healthiest version of you. See you later. Bye.